Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel. This is a leftover chicken corn cook-up idea. You're gonna need quarter teaspoon salt. I use sea salt. Quarter piece pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. A small quarter piece ginger. Half between 1 teaspoon basil. Half between 1 teaspoon parsley. A small piece spring thyme. Dice quarter piece cut onion. Mash 2 garlic cloves. 3 pimento seeds. Leftover chicken, fried, baked, roast, any kind of leftover chicken. 1 cup of canned sweet corn kernels, any flavored vinegar. Instead, 1 teaspoon cooking wine. You can use any flavored cooking wine. I'm using this brand. To me, it flavors gin. You could use any flavored cooking wine. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Dice small stock scallion. 1 between 2 tablespoons ketchup. Visit Jamaican cookings.com for the recipe. Visit Jamaican dinners as well. I am using leftover fried chicken. Now get a sharp knife, or you could use a cooking scissors. Chop fried chicken chunks. Yes, we're gonna cook up the bone as well. Chop cooked chicken into between 2 inches chunks. Put leftover chicken chunks into a small bowl. This is it. Put it aside for later. Most times when I have the leftover french fries, I add it to it as well. Put the stove's gauge on 4, medium low. Put a saucepan or a stewing pot to heat. Ensure that the pan is dry before you add oil. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. I am using coconut oil. Allow the oil to get hot 30 seconds between a minute. After 40 seconds, add diced onions. Stir it in. We're not using plenty oil. Therefore, put the onions in the oil. Allow it to saute golden brown. After 30 seconds, add chopped scallion. Add mashed garlic. Allow it to saute 30 seconds, between a minute. After that, add leftover chicken chunks. Stir it, stir it. Add the herbs, the salt, pepper, pimento berries, piece ginger, etc. Add the remaining seasonings. Add the corn kernels. Use a cooking spoon. Stir it good. Now would be a good time to turn the stove's gauge on low, almost off low. Some people would call it simmering. Use a cooking spoon. Stir it good. Measure and add 1 tablespoon cooking wine. Use the spoon and stir it. You could add more cooking oil, but you don't want to. This is homemade seasoning. This is organic cooking seasoning. You could add about 2 tablespoons between 4 tablespoons of water, but it's not necessary. Use the pan's lid, cover the pan properly, allow it to build steam. Stove's gauge is on very low. Allow it to warm up the chicken for 10 minutes. This is how low flame looks on my stove. And this is how the gauge looks on my stove. I want to present this meal properly. Therefore, you're not gonna see me add leftover french fries today. After 10 minutes on very, very low, this is what it looks like. Use the spoon. Stir this mix up a bread arc. Cover it. Allow. I'ma let it cook for 2 more minutes. After the 2 minutes, remove piece pepper. Add 1 tablespoon ketchup. You could use 2. Stir it in, stir it in. Allow it to cook few more minutes. By keeping the stove on very low, the steam will build a little gravy and warm up the meal. And 2, I freeze my leftover chicken. This is just a little cook up. Turn the stove off. Use the pan's lid, cover it. This took a total of 15 minutes. stewing or steaming or warming up before serving. Stir this this warm up. Stir it up. Take a scoop of this leftover chicken corn cook-up and put it on a plate of rice. This is leftover chicken corn cook-up. Idea? Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe or JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try cooking this meal yourself. When you do, give us your feedback. When you do, share your experience with us. The cooking wine gives this meal a gourmet flavor. It makes this meal taste unique. The corn is nice with it. The seasonings in this meal gives it flavor. Visit JamaicanCookings.com. Visit JamaicanDinners.com as well. It's dry. It has no gravy. I didn't want to add plenty oil nor water. You could add about 2 tablespoons of water. However, it's not necessary. I enjoyed eating and cooking this meal. This is a way to eat something different. To make this meal moist more, add more cooking oil. Use healthy cooking oil. I cook this meal once a week or once in every 2 weeks. This is a quick and easy meal. You will enjoy it. You could eat this meal with salad as well, or roll, bread. You could use any leftover chicken, bake or roast chicken. This is a cooking I normally wouldn't show anybody. However, it dawned on me, maybe I could just show it to you. This is really a nice way to use up your leftover chicken. This is really an awesome way to use up leftover fried chicken. The kids, your children, will love this meal. Until next time, walk good. Yeah, man! Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Visit Jamaican Dinners as well.